My name is Greg Matzker, and for my first selection for you today, I'll be doing You Walk With Me from the Full Monty, and my second selection will be All That Jazz from Chicago. For my monologue, I'll be doing a piece from Stephen Dietz's God's Country. Is it the wind over my shoulder? Is it the wind that I hear gently whispering, are you alone? There in the valley, no, not alone, for you walk with me. Is it the wind there over my shoulder? Is it your voice calling quietly over the hilltop, down in the valley? Never alone, for you walk with me over the hilltop, down in the valley. Never alone, for you walk with me. Never alone, for you walk with me. Why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz, I'm gonna rouge your knees and pull your stockings down. And all that jazz, stop the car, I know a whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's an alley girl and all that jazz. Shake and shake. She's gonna shimmy till the garters break. Show where the Parker girdle. My mother's blood is curdled. If she hear her baby's queer for all that jazz. Jazz. When John F. Kennedy was shot and killed, I was 6 years old. My Sunday school teacher's name also happened to be Mr. Oswald. Okay, so this confused me. I was confused because this man was allowed to teach our Sunday school, and he shot and killed the president. I mean, I figured somebody would say something. I figured someone would say, since you shot and killed the president, perhaps maybe you shouldn't be on the payroll any longer. But when I got to Sunday school, he was there. Oh, and I was scared because I had not memorized the verse that he had assigned us the week before, and he had shot and killed the president. No, instead, I was in my parents' room with my baby brother in my arms watching TV. And there, right there on the news, was Mr. Oswald. Now, he had his back to us with his fists in handcuffs, but it said it right there, Mr. Oswald. And then do you know what happened? He was shot. He was dead. Yes, I did not have to memorize the Bible verse. But when I got to Sunday school, he was there. I got up, excused myself, went to the restroom, and I memorized that Bible verse by heart. And I'm here to tell you, to this day, I believe in eternal life.